Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Airtable interfaces. Airtable interfaces transform your raw data into intuitive, user-friendly applications. They allow you to build custom dashboards and data entry forms without writing any code. Imagine giving your team a streamlined view of exactly what they need, reducing clutter and improving focus. This powerful feature helps everyone interact with your data more effectively, saving valuable time and effort. To begin building your first interface, navigate to the Interfaces tab within your Airtable base. You can then choose from several pre-built layout templates or opt to start with a blank canvas. The intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes adding elements incredibly simple. You can easily place text blocks, interactive charts, and data entry forms exactly where you need them, creating a tailored experience in just a few moments. Once your elements are in place, customizing them is key to a powerful interface. Each element, whether it is a button or a chart, has unique configuration options. You can specify which fields to display, set filters, and even define how users interact with the data. For example, a form element can be set to update a specific record, ensuring dynamic and real-time data management across your entire base. After perfecting your interface, it is time to share it with your team. You can invite specific collaborators and assign different permission levels, such as viewer or editor, ensuring everyone has appropriate access. Publishing your interface makes it live and accessible to those you have invited. This collaborative feature allows multiple users to interact with the same streamlined data view, fostering better teamwork and informed decision-making.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.